Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing and review I have this Milwaukee angle grinder. It packed with a lot of great features for safety and comfortable work. But before go to unboxing and to these features, I would like pay your attention on model number. Mainly in promotion kits, the model number is 2880-20. This 20 mean without battery, just bare tool. 21.2 is with battery kit. But the most important point is here this last 8. Instead of 0, in this model we have 8. It means that it has variable speed. So the speed of the grinder we can change from 3500 up to maximum speed. And it is very good feature and makes this tool more versatile, so you can do a lot of different type jobs. Then with the constant speed 8000, because many works for clamping, polishing and other things needs lower speed. But this one is a little bit expensive compared to the model 2880, about $50. But I am sure that it worth to pay extra $50 and get more versatile tool than 2880. So pay attention, if you need variable speed, buy this model, otherwise 2880 is cheaper than this one. So let's look at the features. Compared with corded one, the power is 11 ampere. It means about 900 watts. As I mentioned, it has variable speed, so we can change. I will show later. Next feature is rapid stop brake, enhanced safety. What it means, when you leave the button, it will stop maximum up to 2 seconds. So very quickly it will stop, and it is quite safety because if you are doing something and losing your control, it is very nice to have such a feature to stop grinder as soon as possible. Let's go to the specification here. Let's go to each features. Wheel, we can use 4.5 inch and 5 inch disc in millimeters, 115 and 125 discs. I choose pedal switch type, no lock. Why? It is for me much safer, because when something happens, it will turn off just 2 seconds, and I do not go to switch to turn on and off. Pay attention on it, which type whatever you want or comfortable to work. Next is variable speed. As I mentioned, from 3500 to 8500 we can change the speed. Kickback protection, it means when you are cutting something and the disc instantly locked in that material, it will turn off the grinder, and it is quite well safety feature. Overload protection, it means when you overload, heat and something, you will not damage your tool, it turned off. Tool-free guard change, I will show later. The guard we can change in different angles without any tools, wrenches or something, just one click. Tool-free accessory change, I do not know, frankly speaking, what this means, because you should change the disc with the wrench, special wrench, it comes with it. If you know what this means, please let me know in the comments. Anti-vibration handle, it's quite nice thing that handle has such a feature, and long time work, your hands will not be tired soon, and it is also will save your hands and your health. The size of the tool, and the same in other languages. So let's unbox and see what we'll get inside. This is the back side of the box. Just let me to take everything out from the box. Okay. Now let's see what we have. Some promotion things. You can register and try to win any tools if you are lucky. This is a guard to keep safe you when working on it. Here 5-inch, 125mm. This is maximum. You can also use, as I mentioned, 4.5-inch. Next is regular key, quad thick material, quality, Milwaukee label on it. Instruction manual, my recommendation to read it. Always you can find something interesting. Next, this handle with anti-vibration. This part you can see it a little bit. You can push and pull, it will move, and this part will take the vibration and make working more comfortable and safe. And now grinder, as I showed, pedal switch. You should do like this and it will turn on. Next thing, you can see here we have this cover. It's very easily you can take out, clean. This is metal here, and we'll keep clean your tool. Do not from air take a lot of dust and other things and go to the inside of the tool. Here is the speed control from 1 to 5. It changed with clicks, as you can see. Comfortable in the hand, but would like to tell you that it is not lightweight. It's quite weighty, even without battery, and they recommend 5 or 6 ampere battery to use with the grinder. Here you can see model number and other information if you are interested. The handle we can put in both sides, here or on this side, like this. I would prefer another hole here because during the work it for me much more comfortable to have a hole here in the center. For example, Rigid, it is also the brand, the same company like Milwaukee and other several brands. It has 3 holes on both sides and on the back side. Here you can see arrow showing the rotation direction. This is lock for changing. You can see the arbor locked, and regular nuts. You can see it has 2 parts. When you will use thick discs or some other accessories, you will put on this way. Otherwise, on regular discs on this side, just tighten, and that's it. Let's put the guard on the place. Just a moment, like this. You can hear clicks. I can here show you like this. Click, and you can change direction without any tool. It's very comfortable. As well, you can see how thick material inside and very thick sturdy plastic cover on outside. Overall, the grinder is made high quality, as we can expect such a well-known brand Milwaukee. I am very happy with it. We'll use and tell you later how it will behave during the work. I think everything will be fine. Just let's turn and listen the sound for the grinder. and you can see just 2 seconds and it will turn off. So that's it. Hope this video will help you in your decision to buy your angle grinder. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to make more videos. Have a nice day.